Alright, so today's unboxing is gonna be an unboxing of the most expensive shoe I have ever purchased, straight up. And not gonna lie to you guys, I have a lot of buyer's remorse actually on this one. Maybe I should just return it. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back with another episode of Mail Time. This episode, we are literally unboxing the most expensive shoe I have ever bought, and quite possibly the most expensive shoe you have ever seen unboxed on any channel actually. It's pretty ridiculous. Like, it is not a hype Yeezy, it is not like Red Octobers, it's not Platinums, it's nothing like that. It is a gem of a shoe, guys. It is a grail. It's a shoe that probably doesn't get as much attention or hype as it should, but it's still very limited and the value is ridiculous on it. Like, it is high up there, guys. It's high up there. So anyway, let's get right into this. This box actually comes from Soul Supremacy for their eBay auction. So for those of you guys that watch those eBay auctions, I'm sure you already know what it is. Don't ruin it for everybody else. Let's get right into it, I guess. Careful. Okay, so there's two shoes in here. One of them is actually already a lot of people's grails, but the second shoe, which I'm guessing is on the bottom, is the money shoes. So let's start off with the cheaper but still pretty darn hype shoe first. So what do we got here? White Nike box. This one is in a size 11. I'm pretty hyped for this one too, not gonna lie. Oh, sweet. Dang, these are beautiful, man. These are crazy. So if you guys couldn't tell, these are actually the Supreme Foamposites. They came out in two different colorways. This black one that is like right here, I'm guessing, and also this red one, which I think pops a lot better and it just kind of stands out a lot more. But yeah, this is a Supreme collab. You can actually see Supreme branding like right over here and over right here. Those two spots, and of course inside has a Supreme branding, which you guys can't see. And then again on the tongue right there, Supreme again. So yeah, these are actually a grail shoe for a lot of people. And again, like most eBay auctions go for Soul Supremacy, the shoes are in crazy condition. So you guys can tell, like, it's been used, but like barely. I think it was tried on, if anything, once. Like, those bottoms are freaking icy, man. But yeah, this is definitely a grail shoe. I got this for like a really good price. I've been looking for these for kind of a while for the collection. Yeah, I had to get it, which was interesting because it played second fiddle. This normally would be like the most hype shoe I'm gonna open in an unboxing, but it's definitely second fiddle to what's in there. So I guess we should just get right into that one now. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm not ready. Careful. So yeah, I definitely rushed home from work to grab this. Didn't want it sitting outside because, man, it is fire. Like, check this out. It's literally fire. You see that? It's like that green flames. So some of you guys are already like, okay, I don't know what this is. And then a lot of you guys are like, oh, there's no way. So you can see over here on the top, you don't become a hero by being normal. Under that, you can kind of see that name right there, which is interesting. Then over here, boom, you can see size 11, Air Foamposite 1. So for those of you guys that are still lost, let me open it up. Dang, man, this is crazy. These things are so freaking clean, dude. What? Whew. You guys can already see I'm like very carefully holding it because I'm like freaked out that it's gonna fall apart or some crazy stuff is gonna happen, because this right here is a expensive shoe. If you guys don't know what the name of this is, it's actually the Air Foamposite ParaNorman. It goes off of that movie that was released, I don't know, maybe like 3-4 years ago now. The ParaNorman movie. So yeah, this was definitely a limited release. They actually had a couple other movie like collaborations. I know there's a Coraline that's pretty expensive out there as well, and a couple others, but this one is definitely the most eye-catching in my opinion, the Foamposite ParaNorman. Like, look at that. The thing just pops, man. That is a strong like neon green, and then these flames are just money. It includes the receipt over here. What? Oh man, this is funny. Okay, I told you guys it's expensive, and for proof of that, they actually left the receipt in here where they originally bought this from, or not Soul, whoever sold it to Soul, I'm assuming. This was a $3,250 purchase. $3,250. Look at that, from Riff LA. $1,250. Ridiculous. I did not pay that much. I paid a lot. I did not pay that much though. That's nuts. Apparently they come with these, what is this? Handkerchief, so you can cry into it, I guess, after you're done realizing that you just dropped bills to get this thing. I don't know, man. I'm guessing it's just something to clean your shoe or whatever. But I think it was like projected at 800 pairs total. So 800 pairs is a very, very small number. Crazy release. Like you could only get it. You couldn't buy it in stores. You had to win a contest. The way you won the contest was they did this thing on Twitter called #WeirdWins. If you're a kid, you take a weird picture of yourself, and I guess if it gets enough traction and enough like retweets or likes or something, that's how they determine the winner. So it was only 800 pairs. You couldn't buy it in stores, so it was very, very, very limited. You can imagine these things are really hard to get, and that's why that price tag is so high though. To commemorate the weird wins, like I was just saying, you can see back here, this heel tab says weird, other one says win. This one has the Nike on the back, and then this one has the ParaNorman outline. Super sick shoe, man. Definitely something you will not see in a lot of sneaker collectors' collections just because it is freaking rare as. But it is now in this house and is going in the collection, man. If you guys didn't know or couldn't tell, I'm kind of downgrading my collection. I'm starting to realize that quality is a lot better than quantity. So yeah, trying to minimize and like move a couple pairs out that I don't use as much. So this one definitely is considered quality in my opinion. So, and my justification for buying these things or buying this shoe specifically is because the value is not going to go down over time, guys. 800 shoes is 800 shoes. They're never making it again. It was a weird contest to like win. Weird, see what I did there? But yeah, it's not something that's going to deteriorate in value. So again, it's like buying a piece of art because obviously you can still sell it at the end of the day, even if it's used a little bit more than it was or displayed a little bit more than it was, but the value still holds over time. Wear this to a special occasion. Definitely not wearing it every single day. These are not beater shoes to wear around. These are grails, like definition of a grail. Rarer than Tokyo 5s, rarer than a lot of Yeezys, rarer than more expensive than a lot of shoes. Like crazy to have it in the collection. Super dope pickup. Couldn't pass up on it. I saw a lot of these go past in Soul Supremacy auctions in the past. However, those are all super huge sizes, like 12s and 13s, and some didn't have boxes. This one had everything, and it was a lot lower than the ones that sold earlier. So cop that. Feel really good about it. Feel kind of a little bit, yeah, like the buyer's remorse is definitely there, guys. It is not a cheap shoe. It's not a cheap shoe. If you guys want to know how much the price was, I would go look it up on eBay because I'm not going to talk about it here because it's a lot. Anyway, that's that for this episode of Mail Time. Thank you guys for watching me open up this heat that I gotta go like get freaking protected or put it into a bank vault. So until then, thank you guys again for watching. Stay humble, stay blessed, take care. Aloha guys, I'll see you guys later. Shoots!